and made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. Hey, yay. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hey, how y'all doing? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back to your girl's channel. Hello, thank you. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is AnekeAnnakay. I am a cash budgeter that also does a little bit of props money. Y'all don't be doing no background like shuffling while I'm recording this video. Okay, so you know we about this budget life, and one thing about this budget life is that we do these cash stuffings. So if you do enjoy the content on this video, if you do like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. Okay, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so off the rip, as you guys can see, the money is laid out. I am doing the real and prop because you know what? Life be lifing, as my girl Rochelle Adamson says, but it is what it is. Okay, so let me make sure y'all can see this. Hold on one second. Let me see if me using that will make y'all see this better. Okay, we in there. I likes that. Y'all can see it. We likes that. Okay, so for groceries, we are doing $100. I'm pretty sure. Yes, we are doing $100. I believe it is. Child, let me tell you, I switched out these monies. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let me tell you, I switched up these old dollar bills for like whatever. When I took the money out of the bank, some of it was crusty, honestly. Like majority of the money that I get from this bank, because my last bank used to be on and popping, but this bank just comes crusty. So because groceries is gonna be spent point blank and period, I like to give her my crusty bills, okay, so we can get them out the way and keep my good looking main checks. You feel me? Am I the only one who hates crusty looking bills? I cannot be. Okay, so for groceries is getting 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So $100 is going in groceries, and she has nothing right now because does she ever? No, she don't. Next up is fuel. Now I'm not putting in anything in fuel because fuel is prop money, and I've already spent $29, but fuel has $11 for the rest of the month. And like I said, she's already propped. I just did her because I'd already spent it, so I was just keeping her together. Let me just say that. But no, fuel has $11 for my allowance. Y'all, we just making this video, but let me tell y'all, I got $3 in allowance. Okay, one of them is in real life, and the other two is left in the bank just because of what I took out the bank. I took out like the wrong number, but I was right either way because point blank period. But I already spent my allowance. I'm recording this on the 21st, and I already budgeted this money and everything since I got paid, baby, which is like a week ago. I got paid and I'd already budgeted, but I just didn't take out the money at the bank yet to be doing all this. So yeah, I already spent $37. Yeah, because it's $2 in the bank accounts and it's $1 here, so that makes it $3, child. Ooh, but that's all we putting in allowance. I did not update this. I need to update this. But yeah, girl, she getting one. Next is fine wine. She's not getting anything, unfortunately, but I do got me. So matter of fact, wait a minute. Hold up. Y'all, I don't know who I thought I was or who raised me, aka drink responsibly, but I can't believe I forgot to include Stella Rose in the video. Who is she? So you know what? Let me get her on. Let me put, ooh, that's half the bottle. Listen, for any of the wine drinkers, you know the wine glasses be like big, okay? Half the bottle is already gone from Stella Rose. The wine glasses be like deep, okay? But, ooh, that tastes good. Anyways, let's continue. Fine Wine only got $2, but don't get it twisted. She always in stock, baby. Yes, ma'am. Come through. Next, we have Crown. Crown, I don't believe she's getting any money either. Y'all would have thought I'm not giving any of these envelopes money, but I am, y'all. I just got things I want to accomplish, and that's what it is. So that's why like these cash envelopes ain't getting as filled as much, but it's okay. Crown is not getting anything. She has $50 from last time, right? 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, she has $50 from last time. She's not getting anything today. Next we have Household. Right now Household has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and we're adding $3 to her. Why is this not in $3, child? Okay, let me find some money to break this up, y'all, because this was not planned. I thought I got this coins together. Apparently I don't. Okay, y'all, I switched out the money because I don't understand what was going on, but I switched out a 5 for a 5 1, so now we have enough ones. So Household has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and we are giving good sis $3. So that's 1, 2, 3. We're adding $3 to her. So now she has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40 in Household, which is cute. We love to see it. She now has 40 in Household. Next is Toiletries. Right now, Toiletries has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And for that, we are giving her a $5 bill. So that is good sis. It's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 30. I'm going to change out this for a 10. And I'll put the 5 and the 5 ones, y'all. Just so I have it, because I feel like I'm going to need it for the future. Never know. But now Toiletries has $30, and that is inputted wrong. That's a 20 in the front, girl, and a 10 in the back. Next is Clothing. Clothing is not getting anything, but she's good with her $10. Support a friend is, that's a lot, girl. Clothing gets $5. Why am I trying to play Clothing like that? Clothing has 10 and she's supposed to get $5. So now she has 15. I don't know why I'm like trying Clothing like that, because we said the girls was gonna get some coins now. Even if it's $1, it's a 5, we takes it. She getting some coins. Support a friend is not getting anything. Next is YouTube. YouTube is getting $10, and right now she has 20, 30, and she has $20 in real money. And I'm gonna give her another $10 in real money. I like to separate them like that, guys, because we have prop and we got reels. 20, 30, 50, 60. I know for some people they was like, girl, what? Don't worry about it. We got 30 in prop, 30 in real, and that's how the cookie crumbles. That's how it is. So that's $60, and wait a damn minute, $60. Okay, child, that is $60 in YouTube. You know when you just be surprising with your cash envelopes, like, what? I'm surprised, girl. Y'all peep the nails. They ain't painted or nothing, but peep the nails. Ain't they giving what they're supposed to give? Like, look at them. Yes, ma'am. Going out is 25. For what? $25 for what? Going out has 10 right now, and she is getting $25. So that's 2 20s, well, 2 10s, child, not 2 20s, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put her right there. So this is $25 plus her 10 that Going Out had already had, brings her up to 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35. Why are we giving Going Out $35? What mystery is going on? You know when you budget your stuff, like if you budget your money and then you do your cash stuff in a little later and like things be switching up, like you just be wondering what was your thought process, but you knew you did it for a reason. So that's okay. Going Out has $35 and we likes it. Next is Business. Business is getting a $10 bill. Right now she has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and that 10 will make her 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. $100. Yes, business, come through, girl, come through. All my cash envelopes are my good sis, because they be keeping me in line. Okay, they do what they needs to do. Get me some of this Stella Rose wine now, child. Okay, so that was business. Next is miscellaneous. Right now, miscellaneous has $1 and she's getting 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now she should be at 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 is now in miscellaneous. That is cute. We love it, and all of the above. So that is our cash envelope stuff. We are ready for the week. We are ready to go. Thanksgiving and all that good jazz. Next, we're gonna move into our sinking funds, which boom bada bang over here, bang bang. Okay, so first in our sinking funds, or first let me hop out the mood. Listen, first in our sinking funds is home. Right now, home has $25. Let me bring up all the good sis. Let me move them up. So these are my prop money, guys, and I ain't ashamed to say it. They sure are. I keep my sinking funds in the banks. Okay, because who about to be walking around here with thousands of dollars? Like, I ain't doing that in real life, but that's okay. These saving challenges be keeping my money on deck. I'm whispering like it's a secret, like we all ain't hearing. Anyways, in home there's $25 and I'm giving her a 5. So now home will have 20, 25, and 30, and this is for home decorum, child. If there's something that I need for this house or for this room or for whatever it is, home decorum will get it. I don't think there's really a lot that I need now because I've been in here for a minute. Next is travel. Travel is getting $5, but right now she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 1,000. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So right now travel has $1,020 and we are giving her a 5. So she has $1,025 in property money, but real life in the bank. Okay, so that is cute. Girl, get it together. Go in travel, child, get it together. That's what I said too. Okay, next is car maintenance. Car maintenance gets $12 and that is a 10, and these 2 ones sure is. I would count them up, but I can't be bothered. We just gonna put it where it needs to go. You know what? Let me count it up because I don't think I'm gonna be doing this. What's that thing called? This sinking funds update at the end of the month. So let me just give y'all this mini update in this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 859, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1,000, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So car maintenance has 100. Ooh, that's a lot. $1,030, and we gonna take some wine on that one. She started off with 108. Wait a minute. She had 1,020 or 1,020. She had 1,020 or 1,030. She had 1,020. That's what she had. 1,020. I was like, did I count that wrong? Nothing's going in Queen's B-Day for now, which is my birthday. That starts next year, so January. Fam's B-Day is, why is it getting $10 though? I don't get it. I thought I was done with Fam's B-Day. You know what? It's okay. I'm gonna give it this $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 470, 490, and I'm gonna give it this 10. So 1, 2, 3, 400, 450, 470, 490. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 470, 490, 500. Ooh, okay. This 500 though. Okay, come through. It's $500 in Fam's B-Day. Nothing is going in Christmas because she's fully funded, and honestly, she about to get spent, girl. So She about to get spent for Christmas. Christmas bills is not getting anything neither because she's fully funded. Jamaica Vacay is getting $110. I told y'all she was not going to get anything else, but don't hate the play, hate the game, and I be lying. That's 100 and this is a 10. So now Jamaica Vacay has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 510, and 520. Matter of fact, she needs to be switcherooed, uppity up or whatever. So she gonna be switched up later. I don't know when, but she gonna be switched up later. So now she got 520, child. Juneteenth has nothing, and nothing will be going to it because it's fully funded. Y'all, Black Friday is empty. When I say empty, I mean dusty, okay? With a dusty. Like, I spent all that money. It's not even Black Friday, but I spent that coins and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, I saved up all year for this. Like, can we acknowledge that's what we do when we do sinking funds? We saved up the time period to spend it. And I spent it happily, and it was one of the most fulfilling things to have a sinking funds completed and to spend it with no issue and no worry. Like, here, flip, talk to me nice or call me Beyonce. Yes, ma'am. I did spend this whole $500 and I am excited and happy about it. And last is Thanksgiving, but she is fully funded, so she gets nothing, and that is it. That is all for this cash envelope stuffing, y'all. So I want to know, did y'all enjoy the video? Child, let me know. Have y'all already started spending? I know some people been started spending for Christmas, but have you started spending for Thanksgiving too? Have you done your Black Friday shopping? Are you waiting until later on to do your shopping? Child, I bought something and it's already telling me that there's a shipping delay. I don't know about you, but I ain't got time nor energy. So I bought my stuff early. I need to buy the families gifts so they can get here on time and be good and boom bada bang. But apart from that, your girl is done. Like, they have their listing coming out. I'm gonna, do the listing, do what it do. And then once this Christmas is done, that's it, girl. I am... Ooh, child. This is my first, or is it my second? I think this is my second Christmas where we are doing a budget Christmas, a $50 budget Christmas for everybody, child. And it's been good to me. Okay, I don't know what your budget is for Christmas, but it was $50 per person, and it has been good to me. So I have thoroughly enjoyed my sinking funds. I'm going to spend my sinking funds for Christmas, and we just gonna make it right and do what it do, and we gonna have some wine at the same time and enjoy. Okay. But if you do enjoy this video, or if you did enjoy this video, don't forget, like I said, thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real. And I say that with my whole chest. Like, this budgeting thing ain't easy, but it keeps you together. It gets you through it, and you will be there on the other side winning. Okay? Winning. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.